Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick walkthrough on the portfolios. I know this is a new tool for most of you, so just to help those of you who are struggling finding how to start and what to do, go through your Blackboard shell. And I would start by just clicking in the Docs and Assignments. And then if you click on the title of the imaging portfolio, that will link you to your portfolios. So just clicking here, and if you haven't been in and kind of played around, you're just going to start by creating a portfolio. This is also where you're going to select to submit your portfolio. So once you're done, which I'll show you again how to go through all of that, but once you're done and you've completed, you're ready to submit your final portfolio, this is where you'll go. So you'll click on that title there and then select your portfolio. You're going to select it and submit. So that will push it through for me to grade. But as of right now, we're going to click on Create Portfolio. Go ahead and title it like I've told you in the guidelines with your name, S19 Portfolio. And you're just going to push Submit. Leave everything checked. That is checked. And here's where you're going to make your changes. You can edit your pages, and again, I think I've explained some of this in your guidelines, so I'm not going to go through all of that. If you do have questions on what pages are and what sections are and where to put your PowerPoints in your analysis, please let me know. But this is where you would do all of those editing here to put it all together. Okay, so I do want to show you the preview and customize. This will pop up here. Okay, so this is going to be what your final, this is how you're going to look to see what your final submission is going to look like. If you want to customize it, you do have that option. There's some different layouts that you can choose to make it what makes sense to you. There's also the option to change colors. So if you want to make that change, that's fine. You don't have to. But then you just save and close. Say you, not everything is just how you like it, but you want to come back to it. You can push Done Editing and you can exit back out. This is your portfolio page, but I think it's kind of confusing on how to get back to this page because once you're here, then you can edit and get back into your portfolio. So once you start your portfolio, you don't have to submit at that time. You can gradually build your portfolio and make it your own until you're done and ready to submit. And that's how you would do that, is from this page here. But how do you get to this page? So I'm going to go back to the course shell really quick to show you. To find your portfolio and to edit it, you have to go to Course Tools. So clicking Course Tools and then scrolling down to, I believe it's My Portfolio, just a second here. Portfolio homepage. So you click here and that's going to bring you back to your portfolio so you can then edit it. Okay. So Course Tools and then what did I tell you it was? Portfolio homepage here. Okay. So like I said, let me show you one more time. If you were ready to submit it, you're going to go back to your Docs and Assignments. You're going to click into Imaging Portfolio. You have been in, you've edited it, it's all perfect. You're going to select Submit, and then you're going to submit, and that will push it through to the Grade Center to allow me I'm not a student, so I can't do that. So don't pay attention to that. But anyways, hopefully that helps you in knowing how to create the portfolio, how to get back in and edit it, and then how to submit it. So beyond that, if you have any other questions, please let me know.